Turn left onto Route 3rd Paul Hill, then take the first right.
They cheated and didn't actually go to the cafe.
Then why do we go?
Hey?
Why do we go if no one else went?
Well, I thought, you know, I can't cheat, Jacob. I wouldn't stick the eggs.
You blew the eggs?
Yeah.
Oh, we should have. We stopped to let them catch up.
Yeah, because there's a name of competition. Because we're generous.
Yeah, but we're gonna get there before the test start.
I reckon so. Because they're gone. Yeah, they're miles away. They're not miles away, they're a lot further away than we are.
And they're in Cassis. But Cassis's postcode takes it to them, doesn't it? To Cassis?
On the Tesla, because it's plugged in, it's marked as a charger. So I told Dave, it's this one here, just click on that and you'll go there.
Their charging point?
Yeah. Because the car's charged, it marks it on the map.
Oh yeah.
Oh, look at that bit. Bad boy.
Go. Oh yeah, those tracks are loaded down there.
I'm miles away to Tesla.
Oh,
What are you doing?
Turn left onto Avenue de Lake, then enter the roundabout.
A bit of rain. You got the eggs, dude.
I can't believe they got here.
Right in front of the doors. Okay, right back, dude. Oh no, you broke one.
Just take it in.
You broke one.
I don't bloody care. This one?
No.
Morning. Oh no, it's put the egg over well. Yeah, I'm a tray of eggs is cheap.
There he is.
At least we went to the cafe.
We did.
Ah.
I knew you'd say that. We knew it. We saw you driving around and around and around.
there they are.
You were all over the place. We went straight there. I ran the picture out.
Yeah.
We were
No,
out.
no.
We overtook
Where's
you.
the two?
We
Wait a minute.
overtook you there.
Stop. You got.
How many eggs are broken?
Oh, he broke again getting out. Where's your eggs to?
I don't know. Where, oh, they're on the desk over there. We're just having a wee. I've only been here. How far we can reconstruct?
10-15 minutes.
Hello.
So where are they?
They're lost.
The words a bunch of muppets.
Dumb and dumber.
You know they got lost 4 times a day.
How can you get lost in that thing?
It's got a van sat nav, 2 screens, and they came off a motorway too early, put us wrong junction for the supercharger, so we did like a 10-minute detour, go back in. They had to go 4 times they took a long turning. This is the 2cv shop 6. We broke 2 getting out of the car. And here's the Mehari team.
It's incredible.
We got to do this race again, but we got to get proper people to come to start this time.
Yes.
I tried. How are you?
This is the famous Southern France
You got to get the eggs. Got to get your eggs. Look at that's what you call eggs. Got to deliver to reception, Dave.
Oh, good. I'd be hungry.
Bye-bye.
Yeah. Put them on the floor, Dave. I know, mate, because they don't want to fall off. 50. Afternoon, folks. As you can see, we are here at Mehari Club Cassis. Now, all 3 cars have arrived. Of course, it was the best car in the end now, but that's me being biased. Now, it was, I do apologise, Glimpse was not working. So, but come the end, it was so close. The cars was overtaking each other, was catching each other up in the last 150 miles. Excuse me. And the dog's barking over there nicely. And it's absolutely peeing down with rain. But what happened, the Mehari got ill first, apart from it was last when we left the bridge. You know, we went shooting past it. James cleverly took a shortcut, went through Marseille, what I think is the biggest mistake ever, but it paid off.
We got the wettest too, though.
Yeah. The Tesla was the fastest, the most comfortable car to come in, but all the modern technology, it doesn't allow for muppetry. You know, people not paying attention. And the 2cv came in second. So we had the Mehari come first, then the 2cv turned up 12 minutes later, then sometime in a decade later the Tesla turned up.
Somebody knew where they were going. The rest of us just had to do all
Yeah.
the research.
So the times. The 2cv won. Well done, Jacob. I am really surprised by this. The Mehari, the old yellow canary, and I'm afraid, look at the weather, it's peeing down with rain. They're soaking wet. Sorry, James.
If you value speed, if speed is your thing, a Mehari is the way to go, clearly. Yeah. If hypothermia, however, and wet bottom are not your thing, the Tesla's the way to go. So speed or wet bottom, up to you.
I prefer speed every time. It's a shame they don't do an electric one. Oh, they do! It's called Eden. No, so the first day they was way behind. They caught up a little bit on the second day. Come the end, there was less than 8 minutes behind. And to me, that's brilliant. So a round of applause, people.
An excellent navigation.
Now, and the Tesla, the calculator is not big enough to work out the time. But yeah, only 8 minutes in. Do you know how many miles we've done? Since we left it,
Total mileage.
1,118 miles from from the workshop.
And I've done more than that because I come there from London.
Oh yeah. What you don't know, people, this is Justin White. He owns this beautiful Mehari. He lives in London. My workshop's in Warminster, so he drove down, and that's the first time he drove it. A long distance. Then next day I made him drive all the way back to the M25 to catch a ferry to France. So yeah, but it was good fun. I am going to do something again next year. What, I don't know. Definitely involved in some strange, silly cars, but we'll see. One thing I just want to say is we are doing it for charity, so this is the last time I'm going to mention it. If you could pledge some money, donate some money, that'd be great. And we'll see you again soon. Say cheerio.
Thank you.